Hello everybody, my name is Callus Butterfly, and today I will be showing you how to open an Info.plist file inside an IPA file. First, you will need your IPA file. Next, there will be two links in the description, one for WinRAR and the other for property. WinRAR is right here. It will be in the first link in the description. I downloaded the English 64-bit version. There will also be a VirusTotal link down below, just in case you think it's a virus. So, once you do that, just run the file, click install, toggle all of these, click OK, and you have downloaded WinRAR. Next, there will be a GitHub link in the description. That will be for property. Property is used to open the info.plist file, while WinRAR is used to open the IPA file without extracting or having to compile it back together. So here's the GitHub link for property. You just have to click code and click download zip, and it'll be right here, and I already have it on my desktop. So I open property. There will be a Windows batch file. Right click it and click open. It'll pop untitled.plist up. You can minimize that. And then what you need to do is go into your IPA file, which you click open with WinRAR archiver, go into payload, go into your app, and find info.plist. I'd say drag it out. Once you drag it out, should be downloads, desktop, wherever you put it, and click file, open, go to where your file is located, and click open. This is your info.plist file. What you're probably going to do is either change the display name or the CF bundle identifier. The display name is right here, and the bundle identifier is right here. What the bundle identifier does is it makes your device think that it's not one app if it's changed. For example, Instagram, Snapchat, Among Us, they all have different bundle identifiers. And then the display name, pretty self-explanatory, what you're going to see before you open the app on your phone. So change what you want to change, blah blah blah, and then click File, Save. And then you can exit property. And then here is your info.plist file. So open up WinRAR again, and drag the info.plist file back into WinRAR, and it will replace the old info.plist file after you click OK. And then you can close this. And that is how you open an info.plist file inside an IPA file. Well, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put them down below. This is my first video. I hope y'all like it. But anyways, peace out.